Affiliate marketers are making crazy money with affiliate marketing, but they are leaving you in the dark. In this video, I'm going to review the exact strategy they use to make thousands of dollars every single day. However, a little disclaimer before we proceed. This is just for educational purpose, so do what you will with this information. And if you apply this correctly, this can potentially change your life, as you will be able to quit your 9 to 5 job, giving you financial freedom, which means you can then make as much money as you want with affiliate marketing. And this is also going to give you time freedom as well, meaning you can make money anytime you want, wherever you want, from anywhere in the world. So if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And for those who are serious about making consistent passive income online with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend to click on the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to this page, and you can have access to the ultimate affiliate mastery course. So moving on with the video, I'm sure most of us have come across promotional ads like this in our Gmail account. As you can see here, these are ads from people who are promoting various products and services online. As you can see, this one is from Pinterest. You can see here, this one is from someone who is promoting this product here that is going to teach people how to make $25,000. So if I scroll down here, you can see this person is promoting this giveaway offer that is going to show people how to win $20,000 right here. And I can assure you, this is most likely a CPA offer. So I'm going to show you how you can do this in today's video. All you simply need to do is to stick with me to the end of this video and follow everything step by step. So the first thing you want to do is to sign up to an affiliate network, and there are numerous affiliate networks out there that you can choose from. This one right here is impact.com, where you can then have access to various digital and physical products that you can start promoting to people and start making passive income online. And here's another one you can use, which is warriorplus.com. This is also one of my favorites, and I also use this platform as well. And you can also use maxbounty.com, and here you can find various CPA offers and affiliate products you can promote from this platform as well. So in this video, we are going to be taking impact.com as an example. And all you simply need to do is to go over to the website at impact.com. So once you do that, you want to then click on, are you a partner? So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page, and it's going to show you various ways you can become a partner with impact.com. As you can see, you can become an affiliate, influencer, mobile app, content publisher, media, and news publishers. But for this video, like I said, I'm going to show you how affiliates are making thousands of dollars daily using affiliate marketing. So you want to then select affiliates. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, this platform here will allow you partner with top brands across the globe. As you can see, we have Adidas right here. We have Allstate, Fanatics. So all you then need to do from here is to click on work with brands. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to tell you to sign up and start earning on impact.com. And as you can see, there are various ways you can sign up right here using any of these social platforms. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And as you can see, there are over 6,000 products you can promote from impact.com. All right. So if you cannot see this section, all you need to do is to come over to where it says brands, and you want to click on find brands. So once you do that, you want to come over to the payout model. Like I said, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make thousands of dollars every day using this platform. So once you come over here, you want to scroll down to where it says call conversion. And this means we are going to be promoting products that allows us to make money whenever people place a phone call, which means all we need to do is to get as much people to call this brand. And once they call them, we make money. And now it's up to the brand to make sure to convert that lead. So as you can see, there are various platforms here that you can choose from. And you can see this one here, American Registry, which is going to pay you $300 for just getting people to enroll through a call. But for this video, we want to keep it simple, and we want to go for this platform, which is called Aibo. So once you click on any of the brands, you are going to get more information about their affiliate program. And once you do that, as you can see here, this one is going to pay us $15 whenever people submit a form on their website. And now if you scroll down here, as you can see, this is newly added. All we need to do is to get a call. As long as it's within the weekdays, we are going to get $15. So that is quite easy if you ask me compared to making a sale. All people need to do is to put through a call and we make money. So before you promote any product, I always recommend to go through the details section. This is where you are going to see various materials provided to you by this brand, which you can then use to promote their product. So if I click on this Aibo website product video as an example, it's going to bring us to this page where it's basically talking about what their website is going to offer to people. So basically, Aibo is going to help people generate leads, help them maximize profit from their business. All right. So now that we know what this platform is all about, you can also scroll down here and go to their website directly. And as you can see right here, it's going to help people build smart websites, which is going to increase their visibility, more visitors, more leads, and in turn, more money for that website. I hope this makes sense. All you then need to do is to click on apply. And if you click on apply, it's going to also show you the details of how their affiliate program works. So you can just type in something very simple like this, then you want to then click on apply. So once they accept your application, they are going to provide you with your affiliate link. And all you need to do is to copy that affiliate link, which you are then going to use to start promoting their product. So once you get accepted, you can then create a very simple landing page like this, which is directed towards your target audience who are looking to create websites for their business. Okay, these are the target audience for this affiliate program. So to create landing pages, there are various builders out there. You can use Breezy.io. You can even come over to builderall.com to create a landing page using their builder, or you can come over to Google Site.com, which is absolutely free, and they have amazing templates as well that you can use to create landing pages right away. So for those who might be wondering how I created this landing page, I'm going to show you how I do that in a moment. All you need to do is to come over to Breezy.io. You want to then click on start your free trial, which is going to allow you to create a landing page on their website. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you then want to click on create new project. It's going to bring you to this page, and you want to click on start building your page. And as you can see here, they have various templates as well that you can pick from and create your landing page within a few minutes. So I'm going to take this template here. The reason I like this template is because of this social proof right here. So that once people come over to this landing page and they see this top branch here, it's going to increase their trust. And that way we are going to get higher clicks on our affiliate link, which is then going to take them to the website. And if they put through a call or submit a form, we make money. So all you simply need to do is to edit this text and make sure it resonates with the audience you are targeting. Okay, so once you do everything like this, you then want to come over to this plus button to add a button. So you want to make sure to place the button here like this, and you can also change the text of this button to anything you want. So I'm going to take get started as an example. Then you want to come over to links, and you want to come over to URL. So this is where you're going to be pasting in the affiliate link you got from Aibo. So once you paste in the link, you can then click out of this. And then the final thing is to add a video. You can simply come over to the promotional video, which is under the external link section, which is the videos they've made available to you. So you want to click on the video and you'll be able to copy this link. So once you copy the link, you want to click on this play button. And this is where you then want to select the player, and that video is uploaded on Vimeo. All you then need to do is to select Vimeo, and here you want to remove the existing link and you want to paste in the link to the video. So once you do that, you can then click out of this, and so you know you can change this thumbnail. If you want to do that, you want to click on the play button again, and you want to go over to where it says player, and you can remove the old thumbnail. And as you can see here, the video is going to appear, and you can upload a new thumbnail if you want to do that. And to get a thumbnail to use, you can simply go over to Google and type in Aibo, and you are going to see a lot of their images. And as you can see, you can download any of their images and then use it as the thumbnail of this video. So once you do that, everything is going to look perfect like this, and you can start driving traffic to this page and start collecting leads and start making money. So before we start promoting this landing page, I highly recommend to purchase a custom domain, which you can get from namecheap.com. This is very important and it's going to boost and increase your conversion rate if you do this step alone. So you can simply go over to the search section and you can type in keyword related to the audience you are targeting. So you can type in something like business grid. Since we are promoting a product that is going to help them build their business. Okay, so if $9 is expensive for you, you can scroll down here. You are going to find other cheaper domain right here. As you can see this one here for $1. Okay, so if you purchase this domain, all you simply need to do is to make sure to then link this domain to your landing page. And that takes us to driving traffic. And we are going to be using Google Ads to drive traffic to our landing page. So all you simply need to do is to come over to ads.google.com and you want to click on Start Now to create an account with this platform. And as you can see here, if you spend $300 on Google Ads, they are going to give you $300 back just to motivate you to keep running ads on their platform. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and Google Ads is going to ask you what is your campaign objective. But for this affiliate program, we are looking for leads. So you want to then come over here and select leads. So if you do that, it's going to ask you to select a campaign type. So for this campaign, we are going to be working with display ads. So you want to select display ads, and this is where you then want to paste in your website link. And like I said earlier, I highly recommend to work with a custom domain if you want to boost your conversion rate. So if you type in your domain name here, all you just need to do is to click on continue, and you want to then give your campaign a name. All right, so for me, I'm going to type in Aibu, and you want to then click on continue. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this location section, and this is where you want to enter the countries you wish to target. Okay, so you can enter as many countries as you want. This is up to you. So once you do that, all you then need to do is to scroll down, and you want to type in the languages that are being spoken in that country. So for me, I'm going to select English. Then you want to click on more settings. So once you click on more settings, you want to then click on add schedule. So for this section, you want to then select the days you want to get conversion for this product. Okay, since the affiliate program specifically wants conversions within weekdays, you want to make sure to select that right here. So you want to scroll down and you want to select the start and end date of your campaign. So for me, I am going to come over here and I'm going to leave everything as default like this because I want the campaign to start running right after submitting this ad. So this is all you literally need to do in this section, and you want to click on next. And this is where you then want to type in how much you want to spend every day to get your ad seen in front of people. Okay, so you can start as small as $5 per day if that is what you can afford. So once you do that, as you can see, Google is going to give you an estimate of how many clicks you are going to be getting every day, depending on the budget you entered. As you can see, for $5, you can get between 50 to 100 clicks on your links every single day. Okay, so now you want to then make sure to click on next. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you're going to select the people you want to target for your ads. And if you have no idea of the audience you want to target, you can simply go over to ChatGPT, and this is an AI tool that is going to make your life a lot easier. So if you come over to ChatGPT, you can basically type in, give me a list of 10 small businesses. And as you can see here, it has provided us with a list of small businesses we can target to help them create a website that is going to bring them sales for their business. So you can then come over here and type in as many of these businesses you want to target. So once you enter your target businesses, all you just need to do is to click on next. So this is where you want to then upload creatives for your ad. And like I said, you can go over to Google and you can get creatives from Google, and all you need to do is to upload it right here. Google is going to show you a preview of what your ad is going to look like in people's Gmail. This is a preview of people's Gmail account, and as you can see, this is how your ad is going to look like on their mobile device. Once people click on open, it's going to take them straight away to your website, and if they click and book a call, you make money. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can then review your campaign, and you can then make sure everything is correctly set up, and then you want to click on publish campaign. Once you do this, your ad is going to be sent out for review. Once it gets approved, your ad is going to start getting distributed, and once people start clicking on the link going over to your landing page, you start getting commission. So I know this method requires you to invest some money. You have to keep in mind as well, sometimes you need to put money up front to make money in return. So basically, this is a very simple method anyone can use to start making money with affiliate marketing. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out the video on your screen right now for more ways to scale your affiliate earnings.